When I was studying, there was an architect which was in our textbook, Mies van der Rohe. So, that architect did one thing. He used glass and very minimum details to make. So that actually inspired me to make a building beautiful using less material, straight details, everything like that. I started my journey looking at his work only. So while building somebody's house, when an architect is hired, so we intend to make their dreams come true. We do not want to just make a structure and go away. So we want to, which our intent is to make their dreams, their heart and soul reside, plus their hard-earned money is also involved. So if they get what they, that makes a happy client, right? And we also get happy if we deliver what they want. So our all projects are close to my heart because we work in a way that we do what we do. We do not take such projects which we have to do in hurry or which we want just in the sake of getting it. So that is our philosophy for working. Architecture is actually a challenging job. So challenges what you are saying, what happens doing designing projects when we design the project and when it is actually went to site and go to site to work on. So what challenges we actually face the change of design. So major challenge I feel it is that only. To overcome that is quite difficult. In earlier stages when we started, there were challenges regarding structure and all, but now it's not that, because we have help of civil engineers, we have plumbing engineers on board.
Okay.
So we have every good mind with us to overcome those challenges. So for us, that those challenges are actually not challenges. The challenges we feel in our city basically. It's a very small city, the people are very closely knit. So, seeing somebody's house, it's better, that kind of stuff we feel that is quite challenging for us. We are here due to nature only, right? So it's our moral duty to, save it and use those materials which are sustainable. And so for that, we, what we intend to do, we do not use such projects which create fumes, like ACP, which use Aludecor ACP. So it's a 100% recyclable project. So that is something which we want to do. We add in our facades and we use open spaces to create climatology better for the house so that a use of ACs and everything can be minimalized to avoid CFC gas. We select our material, natural stones, which are not that heat absorbent. We have 8 months of quite heat period. We use such products and climatology like that, giving less windows in the sun affected zone. When you see a book, people have a tendency to judge it by cover. So facade is like that. It has influenced a lot. Everybody wants its structure to be mass. It should be visible to everybody. It should be a standalone kind of building. So it's a quite challenging role to change facades on there, because while designing facade, we have also have to give open spaces and to sit on. But facade is quite challenging nowadays because everybody is using same material, same paints. So to make it different, you need to think in different way. Make it more functional while designing a facade also. You cannot just put some high glass building, then more heat will pass and everyone will think. So that is a challenge, but that is the best part. We design like that and our clients are happy. Primarily, I use timber series only.
Okay.
And later they introduced some sand series, some basic series for commercial products. Aludecor is a well-known brand now. Earlier we used to suggest by when an architect uses the product, it also sees the quality. After 5 years, 7 years, you feel that it doesn't get fade, and nobody should complain about it. So Aludecor is giving that kind of quality. So earlier we do recommend that. That's true, but now people knows about it. When a person come, they want to use aluminum panel, so they have well in their mind that this brand is superior and they want to use it. So now both ways is there. We also recommend, and some customer is also aware of the brands.